Welcome back to Twisted Between Garage, everybody. Today, we're messing with this machine that the wife had picked up. This is an Ariens Snow Blower, 24-inch. I've never messed with one of these machines. It's been setting, and I checked the spark and everything in it. The spark and everything's good. So we're going to put some Seafoam and everything in this machine. See if we can get it running. Electric start. It's got 9.5 engine on it, and I've been checking the machine all out and everything, and it's a very, very good built machine, made in the USA. Like I said, this is my first go around with a machine of this sort, and so far it's been looking pretty decent. I'm just hoping that it's a carburetor issue with it, but we're gonna put some Seafoam in it and see if we can get this thing running. And why in the world the wife bought it? We don't have no snow. We haven't had snow in a few years, so I guess it's going to be a mini different thing that we're going to have sitting around until we figure out what to do with it. But looks like a pretty decent machine. I was told it's never seen snow yet, so if it's true or not, I don't know. We've been monkeying with it, like I said. Get it primed up. Let's see. And it is electric start. And there you have it. It runs. So, hopefully that'll do it. I think we'll leave it run a while longer, see what it does. But according to the people that she purchased it from, it's never been in the snow, and I don't know, we haven't had no snow for a good while. Machine's pretty dirty, it's been setting, dusty, but there you have it. Like I said, it is Ariens, and I've never dealt with anything of this, never used one. Why she thought we needed one is beyond me, but there it is. A little bit of Seafoam, fresh gas. I drained what gas was in it earlier, and hopefully it'll do us a good job if we ever get any snow to use it. But there you go. Thank you for watching. Call it a wrap here.